Jersey number 13 in the baseline inbound. He will pass jersey number 8. Almost in the third pass jersey number 1. Left the shot is in for 2. Down to 5 from Adaman. Number 8 to 2-5. For the number 1. Santiago pass to Ortiz. There's a foul away from the ball. Foul with jersey number 13. And his second foul. Second team out para sa Barangay Chao. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Second inbound para jersey number 11. Pass to Ortiz to Gomez. And on the shot clock, using the big jersey number 99, and that is Dimas. Goes to the ball. Save ball. 6 seconds shot clock, 6 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 11, pass to jersey number 3, 5 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 3, eyes on play, 2 seconds shot clock. Jersey 24 seconds shot clock, violation. Jersey number 1, Navarro, is down, Mason dribbling. Pass to jersey number 6. Galileo, spin move. Puts it out. Makes another. Body for the rebound. Going jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 11. To running Gomez. Makes it out. It's good for 2. Jersey number 88. Pass to jersey number 1. Jersey number 99. Jersey number 1. Looking for the big. I should be off. Pass to jersey number 8. Working with the shot out. Moving on to jersey number 11. On jersey number 4. On the pass. Jersey number 88. Jersey number 88. And jersey number 99. That's a man. With jersey number 11. Jersey number 88. Warning. Jersey number 11. It's complete 3-point play for jersey number 11. It's scored 87-17. Jersey number 1 pass to jersey number 8. To jersey number 25. The pass. Jersey number 8 to jersey number 7. The pass to jersey number 8 on field. Jersey number 1. That is first foul. Foul. Warning for penalty. I'm gonna get Chao. 90-second shot clock, jersey number 11. Corner pass to jersey number 99. Makes the jumper. It's the good. Body for the ball. Body for the ball. Now jersey number 3 on these. It's a traveling violation for jersey number 3. Time remaining 6 minutes and 26 seconds play. Para sa ating second quarter score 27-17. 10-point lead para sa Barangay Tugtugan. Jersey number 1. Navarro. High screen para jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Nice to do that. Jersey number 4. Come on, jersey number 8. Jersey number 1. It's a 3 seconds violation. Jersey number 11, Almaras, intercepted jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 1, Navarro, running jersey number 6, intercepted, and Santiago, pass to Gomez, jersey number 99. Jersey number 99, for 3, it's good. Long rebound para jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 1, Navarro. Pass to jersey number 6, wide open for 3. Jersey number 8 picks it high.